Ethereum Shanghai upgrade. What it means for the price of Ethereum. Good morning, lovely people. I greet you with love. Let us get started with today's blog. As Ethereum's transition to proof of stake, POS, concludes with the Shanghai upgrade on April 12, many traders and investors are keeping a close eye on the potential impact on the price of Ethereum. With more than 18 million Ethereum, worth roughly $34 billion, locked up in the Ethereum network for staking, the unlocking of these funds for validators has created some uneasiness in the market. In this blog post, we'll explore what analysts expect as the Shanghai upgrade rolls out. Technical improvements with the Shanghai upgrade. The Ethereum Shanghai upgrade marks a significant milestone in the network's 2-year transition to POS. It introduces various technical improvements, including increased scalability, energy efficiency, and security. These enhancements aim to make the Ethereum network more environmentally friendly and capable of supporting a higher volume of decentralized applications, DApps, and transactions. Staking withdrawals and potential market impact. The unlocking of over 18 million Ethereum for staking withdrawals has generated concerns about the potential impact on the price of Ethereum. Validators who have locked their Ethereum for staking will now have access to these funds, which could lead to a significant increase in the supply of Ethereum in the market. This influx of unlocked Ethereum could put downward pressure on the price, as some validators may choose to sell their holdings. Market predictions and analyst expectations. Analysts have different opinions on the potential impact of the Shanghai upgrade on the price of Ethereum. Some believe that the release of staked Ethereum might not have a significant effect on the price, as many validators are likely to continue staking their holdings to earn rewards. Others argue that the increased selling pressure could lead to a short-term dip in the price of Ethereum. The role of market sentiment and long-term outlook. The overall market sentiment and long-term outlook for Ethereum will play a crucial role in determining the impact of the Shanghai upgrade on the price of ETH. If investors and traders remain optimistic about Ethereum's future and its position as the leading platform for DApps and smart contracts, any short-term price volatility may be seen as a buying opportunity. On the other hand, if the market sentiment turns bearish, the release of staked Ethereum could exacerbate selling pressure. Conclusion. The Ethereum Shanghai upgrade marks a significant turning point in the network's evolution and its shift to a POS consensus mechanism. While the unlocking of over 18 million Ethereum has raised concerns about its potential impact on the price, the outcome will depend on a range of factors, including market sentiment and the long-term outlook for Ethereum. Investors and traders should keep a close eye on the market dynamics and be prepared for potential price volatility in the coming weeks. I'm not an expert on blockchain, banking, or finance. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money and Web 3.0. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.